Hey everybody, Linus here. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the latest in tech. Remember the days when coding felt like talking to a wall? It was like trying to communicate with a stubborn machine that just wouldn't listen. You typed, the computer beeped, and nothing worked. Error messages popped up like they were going out of style. Yeah, those were the days. We all have those memories of battling with our code. But hold on to your keyboards, folks, because the future of coding is here. And it's powered by AI. It's a whole new world out there. We're not talking about some futuristic sci-fi movie scenario. This is real and it's happening now. We're talking about AI tools that are available right now, changing the way we write code. These tools are revolutionizing the industry, and one of the most exciting players in the game is cursorAI. It's making waves in the tech community. Imagine having an AI pair programmer who not only understands your code, but can also write it with you in real time. It's like having a supercharged coding buddy. That's the promise of cursorAI, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The possibilities are endless. In this article, we'll dive deep into the world of cursorAI, explore its features, and see how it stacks up against traditional coding methods. We'll leave no stone unturned. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. This is going to be one thrilling ride through the future of coding. So what exactly is cursorAI? In a nutshell, it's a code generation tool that acts as your AI-powered coding assistant. But it's not just any assistant, it's like having a super-powered coding buddy who can understand your intent and help you bring your ideas to life faster and more efficiently. One of the things that sets cursorAI apart is its ability to work with you in real time. As you type, cursorAI analyzes your code, understands the context, and suggests completions, functions, and even entire code blocks. It's like having an autocomplete on steroids. But cursorAI is much more than just an autocomplete tool. It can also help you debug your code, identify potential errors, and suggest solutions. And if you're ever stuck, you can simply ask cursorAI for help in plain English, and it will do its best to understand your query and provide relevant assistance. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like magic, how does it even work? Well, the magic behind cursorAI lies in the power of artificial intelligence, specifically large language models, LLMs. These LLMs are trained on massive data sets of code, which allows them to learn the patterns and syntax of different programming languages. When you use cursorAI, it leverages this knowledge to understand your code and provide relevant suggestions. Think of it like this. Imagine you've read every single book ever written. You'd have an incredible understanding of language and context. You'd probably be pretty good at predicting what comes next in a sentence, right? That's the kind of power we're talking about. That's kind of how cursorAI works with code. It's like having a supercharged brain that's seen countless lines of code. It's seen so much code that it can anticipate your next move and help you write code faster and with fewer errors. But here's the cool part. cursorAI is constantly learning and evolving. It adapts to new coding styles and techniques. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your coding style and providing tailored suggestions. It's like having a personal coding mentor. It's like having a coding buddy who learns and grows alongside you, making your coding journey smoother and more efficient. Okay, enough with the technical jargon. Let's see cursorAI in action. Imagine you're building a website and need to create a form for users to submit their information. With traditional coding, you'd have to write all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code from scratch. But with cursorAI, you can simply describe what you want to achieve in plain English, and it will generate the code for you. For example, you could type something like, create a form with fields for name, email, and message, and a submit button. cursorAI will then analyze your request and generate the necessary code, complete with all the necessary tags and attributes. This is just one example of how cursorAI can simplify and accelerate your coding workflow. Whether you're building websites, developing apps, or working on data science projects, cursorAI can assist you every step of the way. Section 5, efficiency boost. Time is money, code faster. Let's face it, in the world of coding, time is money. The faster you can write clean, efficient code, the quicker you can ship your projects and move on to the next challenge. And that's where cursorAI really shines. By automating repetitive tasks, providing intelligent code suggestions and helping you debug your code faster, cursorAI can significantly boost your coding efficiency. Imagine spending less time wrestling with syntax errors and more time focusing on the logic and creativity of your projects. That's the power of cursorAI. It's like having an extra pair of hands, or in this case, an extra brain to help you power through your coding tasks. And the best part? cursorAI never gets tired, never complains, and is always ready to assist you 24/7. Section 6. Traditional coding versus cursorAI, a head-to-head. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How does cursorAI compare to traditional coding methods? Is it a complete replacement for human coders? Not quite. Traditional coding requires a deep understanding of programming languages, syntax, and logic. It's a craft that takes years of practice and dedication to master. And while cursorAI can certainly assist and accelerate the coding process, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. Think of it like this. A professional chef can use a food processor to chop vegetables faster, but they still need to know how to select the right ingredients, season them properly, and cook the dish to perfection. Similarly, cursorAI can help you write code faster, but you still need to understand the underlying concepts and logic to create truly great software. Section 7. Pros and cons, weighing the options. Like any tool, cursorAI has its pros and cons, and it's essential to understand both sides before integrating it into your workflow. Let's take a look at some of the key advantages and disadvantages in more detail. cursorAI can significantly speed up your coding workflow by automating repetitive tasks and providing intelligent code suggestions, which can save you a considerable amount of time. By catching potential errors early on and suggesting solutions, cursorAI can help you write cleaner, more error-free code, reducing the time spent on debugging. For novice coders, cursorAI can be an invaluable learning tool, providing real-time feedback and helping them understand coding concepts faster, which can accelerate their learning curve. cursorAI can facilitate collaboration among developers by providing a shared understanding of the code base and suggesting consistent coding patterns, which can enhance team productivity. However, it's important to avoid becoming overly reliant on cursorAI and to maintain a strong understanding of the underlying code, ensuring you can code independently. As with any AI model, there's a risk of bias in the code generated by cursorAI, which could lead to unintended consequences if not carefully monitored. While cursorAI excels at generating code based on existing patterns, it may not be as adept at coming up with truly innovative or creative solutions, which require human intuition and creativity. Depending on your needs and usage, accessing cursorAI's full features may involve a subscription fee, which is an important factor to consider when budgeting for your projects. Section 8. Who should use cursorAI? So, who can benefit the most from using cursorAI? The short answer is almost anyone involved in coding. cursorAI can be a fantastic learning tool for aspiring coders, providing real-time feedback and helping them grasp coding concepts faster. Seasoned coders can leverage cursorAI to boost their productivity, automate repetitive tasks, and focus on more complex aspects of their projects. cursorAI can enhance collaboration among developers by ensuring code consistency and providing a shared understanding of the code base. Essentially, if you write code, cursorAI can likely make your life easier and more efficient. Section 9. The future of coding, a glimpse ahead. The emergence of AI-powered coding tools like cursorAI marks a significant shift in the world of software development. While it's unlikely that AI will completely replace human coders anytime soon, it's clear that these tools are here to stay and will continue to shape the future of coding. Imagine a future where coding becomes more accessible to everyone, where language barriers are broken down, and where complex software can be developed with unprecedented speed and efficiency. That's the promise of AI-powered coding, and it's a future we should all be excited about. Section 10. Conclusion: embracing the AI revolution. cursorAI represents a new breed of coding tools that are transforming the way we write, understand, and interact with code. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, cursorAI empowers developers of all skill levels to code faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. Whether you're a seasoned coding veteran or just starting your coding journey, I encourage you to embrace the AI revolution and explore the possibilities of cursorAI. You might just be surprised by what you can achieve with a little help from your new AI coding companion. Until next time, keep on coding.